Hello guys, today I will tell you how to get a Bybit card. This card gives a cashback and more. First you need a Bybit account. If you don't have one, use my affiliate link in the description to sign up. After creating your account, go to the home dashboard. At the top right, find the card option and click it. You will see Bybit card details and benefits. Click apply now. This will start an eligibility check with identity verification. Choose your country or region, then click next. Enter your address for verification. Wait about 1 minute for the address check. After it is confirmed, click on next. Check your details. If you don't have a mobile number added, go to settings and add it. Confirm your email and mobile number. You can add my referral code from the description if you want. After adding details and the code, click on confirm. Set up security and order your card. This way you get your Bybit card. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.